Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yet once again, I am back with another video. It's your girl Miss Kiki Style, aka Natural Hair Key, and I am back, okay, with a hair mask. And this is a DIY hair mask, okay, you guys. So this is pretty much what it looks like, okay. You guys see that? All masked out, okay. So I pretty much made this myself, okay. And how I made it, you guys, is from the fenugreek seeds, okay? So you guys seen me make the fenugreek seed water. I basically just leave the seeds in there and then, you know, let it formate into water. Once it forms into the water, I then, you know, pour the water out into another bottle and I keep the seeds, okay? So what I do with the fenugreek seeds is I put it into a blender and I add olive oil, other mixed oils, a little bit of water, the moringa powder, and the MSM powder. So once I do that, I just go ahead and blend everything together, put it in a little Gladware bowl, a mason jar, whatever you guys have, a regular bowl, just put it all inside there, and then just go ahead and put it in your hair. And it's really simple, you guys. Nothing much to it. If you guys want to see me doing it, like the actual making it, the DIY, let me know in the comments and I will do that. But I wanted to save time and just, you know, share with you guys on what I did. Okay, so this is going to get messy, as we know. This is the channel that is just, everything is just messy, okay? So I'm just going to put this towel right here, just to kind of help me not have this like green stained mask on my gown. Okay, so I'm just kind of mixing it together, you guys. And the first time I made this, you guys, I made so much I had to end up throwing it away because it went bad. So you want to make sure you only make enough for one use, okay? Now, it's possible that you can freeze it, but I would rather make mine fresh, okay? So we're just going to section my hair off, and then once I do that, I'm just gonna put a shower cap on for maybe about 30 minutes and then just rinse it out. I don't want to completely wash it because I want to leave the oils and the powder and everything in my hair along with the seeds, okay? So this is kind of like a paste, if you will, and it doesn't smell too good. And the reason why I said you don't want to keep it for too long is because it's gonna start smelling really, really bad. Okay, so first things first, I'm just going to section this off right here. I'm gonna use one of these clips, and then I'm just going to go to the scalp. See, already dropping stuff, and just rake it through. And this little part I dropped right here, I'm just going to put it right there. And I'm just going to cover my whole head with this paste. And again, it could get really, really messy. So be careful, guys. Y'all, so, okay, when I did my second length check, I was like, that length check is not correct, okay? Because I'm looking at my hair right now and it just looks so much longer, but it's like when it's dry, it's hard to actually measure your hair. So next time I do it, I'm just going to probably spray some fenugreek seed water or some aloe vera juice on my hair so I can do the length check. And I'll probably be doing that sometime soon again, because that one was not as accurate as I thought it would be, because I pay attention to my hair now that I'm more older and more concerned on my hair growth journey, and you know, just my hair growing in general and being healthy. I pay attention to my hair, so I'm like, okay, I know my hair has gotten longer. Like, even other people have noticed it as well. And so when I did the length check, I'm like, something is not right. But my hair, it was actually damp. It wasn't soaking wet. It was just damp. So with that being said, the next time I do it, I want it to be kind of wet. And then I'll just start measuring it like that. Because you guys, I don't really straighten my hair that much. So, yeah, that's that. I do straighten my hair. I plan for it to be a really, really long length. Okay. So, I'll put this here. So, you guys, with this fenugreek seed, there's many different ways that you guys can use this, okay? So many different ways that you can use the moringa powder as well. And so many ways that you can use the MSM powder. So, I was putting the MSM powder in like my orange juice or like apple juice or whatever. But I haven't had it in a while. So, I just, you know, put it in my mask. Or, you know, in whatever I'm putting on my hair. I try to add that. See, y'all, this is messy. So, y'all want to be careful when y'all use this. So, there's another mask that I used to do like a couple years ago. It's with like avocado, honey. There's one with mayo and olive oil. There's so many more that you can do, in which, like I said, I used to do, but now I've been doing different stuff. So if you guys want me to do more hair masks or more DIY masks, just let me know in the comments and we will definitely get that done. And so I try not to do this that often. I probably do it maybe like once or twice a month, if that. You can do it as many times as you want to throughout the week, throughout the month. It's solely up to you, because all of these are natural products, you guys. And that's the thing that I like about this. Now, I've watched a lot of different natural hair gurus and, you know, people that are just focused on their natural hair growth journey, or whatever you may call it. But a lot of people are using more natural products, as far as, you know, like oils and things like DIYs and things that you can use, things that you already have at home, but things that you can use on your hair, rather than buying products. Because a lot of these products that we buy for our hair, we don't know what's in it. I mean, we look at the ingredients and stuff. It be stuff on there we don't even know what that is or how to even pronounce it. So you kind of want to know what you putting in your hair if you are really serious about your hair growth and, you know, focusing on your hair. You kind of want to know what you're putting in it. So that's important. So now I have this back section right here. I'm probably gonna do this in 3. But guys, I'm telling you, all of these ingredients that I'm using promotes hair growth. So your hair has no choice but to grow while using this mask. And again, like I said, it gets messy, but it's well worth it. So I have this little part right here. Okay, so my whole head is full, as you can see. And this is what I have left, you guys. But I'm going to go ahead and use it because I'm not saving this. There's no reason to save it. So I'm just going to make sure I get my whole head, edges and everything. Ooh, this is so messy, y'all. I'm just dropping this stuff everywhere. That's bad. Look at that length, y'all. Look at it. I'm about to be looking like Pippi Longstocking in a few minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna just do this like this. Not me looking like the Grinch sister by the hair. Okay, y'all, so then I'm gonna get my shower cap and I'm gonna just go ahead and put this on my head. And I'm going to leave this on my head for about 30 minutes, okay? After I do that, I'm just going to rinse it off and then probably just do some flat twists or something and then just call it a night. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I have so many more videos on the way, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching these videos and also subscribing. I really do appreciate it. So in that case, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.